Namaste, yogis. So good to see you here. Thank you for joining me for an express recovery flow. This would be a great flow to do after exercise, whether you run or bike or fitness walk or whatever it is you do for cardio. We will do some abs as well, so a lot of stretching, some abs, and recovery, right? So we won't be getting the heart rate up too much, but we'll be strengthening and lengthening. So let's find a comfortable seat, whatever that means for you. Draw the spine nice and tall. Take a deep inhale. Roll the shoulders up to the ears. And then exhale, bring them down. Let's do that again. Inhale, roll them up. Exhale, bring them down. One last time. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, bring them down. Let's bring the palms to prayer at heart center. Gently close the eyes. And let's Om 3 times to open up the practice. Inhale. Gently open up the eyes, and you may press play on your playlist if you're choosing to practice to music today. I'll press play on mine so that we can be in sync. And then just make your way back to your mat. And slowly walk the arms out, walk the hands out, like you're discovering new land, right? Nice and slowly. And as you walk your hands out, feel your back elongating. Drop the head, drop the neck. Push the hands into the mat. Inhale. And then exhale, ground the sit bones down. Let's ripple like a wave and do that a few times. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, surrender down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, start to come up. Just drag your hands along the ground until they come back to your legs. And let's bring the right hand down. Allow the left arm to stretch overhead, getting a delicious side stretch in. Breathe deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come up to the other side. Gently, slowly, making sure that the sit bones stay grounded as you move through the stretches. Inhale. Exhale. Try to feel the inside of the right thigh relaxing down to the ground. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come back up to center. Come onto hands and knees. And let's meet in cat-cow. Start to take some spinal rolls to open up that back, make it more fluid. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, slowly tuck the belly in as you round, bringing the spine to the sky, tucking in the neck. Inhale, come forward, opening up the chest, rolling back the shoulders. Exhale, press it back, creating this space in your belly and the back of your neck. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, round it out. Inhale, come back to center. Tuck the toes under and slowly bring your seat back to your heels. Yeah, just feeling this stretch in the backs of your toes. Oof. Good. And then slowly push your way back to downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward to plank. Exhale, lower the hips, chest lifts. Inhale, tuck in your chin, bring your seat to your heels. Exhale, downward facing dog. Another time like that. Inhale, roll the body forward, coming into plank, and keep going. Exhale, release down. Soft downward, upward facing dog. Exhale. Seat to heels. Down dog. One more time. Inhale, roll forward to plank. Exhale, keep lowering. Lazy up dog. Exhale, seat to heels. Downward facing dog. Inhale, lift that right leg high in the sky. Open up the hip, bend the knee if that's what works for you. Take a deep breath here. Feel that opening in the back of the left leg. Stretch the leg up toward the ceiling. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Bring your knee to your nose. Inhale. Leg lifts. Exhale. Bring your knee to your nose and gently place your right foot down to the outside of your right hand. Coming to lizard, drop that back knee down. And stay high in your hands if that feels good. Trying to make some space in the collarbone so you're not scrunching in, trying to really open up here. So if you want to come onto your fingertips, that might help. And bring your elbows down. If that works for you, or stay high. Wherever you are, breathe. Come back up onto your hands. Walk your right foot across to the left side of your mat. I know it's early. And drop into pigeon. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, bow it forward. Let's do that a few times. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come forward. Inhale, lift up. And then exhale, find your expression, find your asana. Maybe you're, if you're tight, like I'm tight today, my shin doesn't want to be as parallel as it is sometimes with the top of the mat. That's fine. Tuck it in if that's what brings you stability, right? Tuck in that foot if that's what brings you stability. And that's what keeps you anchored in the asana. We need to be anchored so that we can stretch and go further and also not harm the body. Right? It's big. It's a non-harming practice. Go a little deeper if you can. Using the breath to take you there. Activate that deep Ujjayi breath. Walk your hands back toward your legs. Press your hands into the ground. Lift that right leg toward the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale it down. Pedal out the heels. And nod the head yes and shake it no. Flubber the lips. Inhale, lift that left leg up high behind you. Bend the knee if that's what you like to do, right? Or keep the leg straight, feeling that beautiful stretch in the back of the right leg. It may be screaming, right? But it's opening. Lift your heel off the ground if it's too much. Bend your knee if it's too much, right? Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose and allow your left foot to fall to the outside of your left hand, coming into lizard. Drop the back knee down. Oh, feel those hips opening, so good. Stay high and then maybe come low, finding your lizard as you go. And come back up onto your hands. Walk that left foot across. Dropping into Kapotasana, into your pigeon. It may feel different on this side. Your hips may be a little bit more open. Inhale. Exhale, coming down. Yeah. Inhale, ripple up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, ripple up. Exhale, come down. And come all the way into your asana. Engage the core while you're down here. And allow that breath to move through your body, opening shoulders, right? Working its way through those tough spots. And inhale, walk your hands back up to center, press your hands into the ground, lift your left foot up behind you. Exhale, bring it down. Pedal it out. Inhale, lift your heels up off the ground. Exhale, twist to the right so that the blades of your feet are to the right and the heels are facing to the right. Inhale back to center. Exhale left. Getting that deep side stretch here. Inhale back to center. Exhale. Inhale, lift that right leg high behind you. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, place your foot between your hands. Bring the back knee down. Release the back foot. Inhale, lift up, Anjaneyasana. Lift that heart up to the sky. One more deep inhale. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right arm up, Parivrtta Anjaneyasana. Inhale. Exhale, right hand comes down. Let's go into Ardha Hanumanasana. Straighten that front knee, tip the toes to the ceiling. Sit bones are moving back in space. Inhale, try to elongate the back. Exhale, this may be really hard if you're tight from whatever activities you do, right? When you're walking or you're running or you're cycling. Moving the foot from side to side can help open up the hamstrings and the calves, but don't overdo it. And feel free to come onto your fingertips here. Move that right hip back in space, move the left hip forward. On your next inhale, step the right foot down, curl the back toes under, and straighten both legs coming into pyramid. Urdhva Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bring it down. Again, coming to fingertips to take any kind of stress off of your muscles, which have just been through it, right? They've just been working out, strengthening, now we're lengthening. Inhale. Exhale, bend into your right knee, send the left foot back, send the right foot back, down dog. Inhale, send the left leg up to the sky. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, leg to sky. Exhale, bring your foot between your hands. Bring the back knee down. Release the back toes, and on your next inhale, sweep the arms up. Anjaneyasana, chest lifts up to the sky. And breathe. Arch the back. Engage the core. One more inhale. Exhale, right hand comes down, left arm comes up. Parivrtta Anjaneyasana. Inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, left hand comes down. Inhale. Exhale, Ardha Hanumanasana. And find your way there. Sometimes the backs of the legs are like, oh no, don't open me up anymore. We're good, we're so good. If your legs are talking to you, send the breath back to them. Answer them with your breath. Send them some delicious prana, that breath plus consciousness. One more inhale. Exhale, step into your left foot. Curl the back toes under, straighten both legs. Coming into pyramid. Inhale, left hip back, right hip forward. Exhale, bring it down. And again, the asanas we practice after we do some kind of cardio, it's going to look a little different, because our muscles have just torn and tightened a little bit. So as much as you can, take your egoic mind out of it, right? Just really enter that space of the breath. Inhale, step into your left foot. Bring the right foot forward. Grab opposite elbows. Exhale it down. Engage the quads as you fold. If you have lower back pain, super engage the quads. And then you can bend your knees if that's not enough. Swing from side to side. Allow the head and neck to go. I know they're still holding on to stuff. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let it go. Bring the right hand down, bend the right knee, lift the left arm up to the sky. Taking that twist. And your exhale, switch sides. Bring your left hand down, right arm all the way up to the sky. And then release. Make your feet about as wide as the mat. Turn them out and bring yourself into a yogic squat. Here, I'm going to face you. This can be extra challenging. Bring your elbows to the insides of your knees. Bring your hands to prayer. Try to lift your chest, lift your heart as much as you can. If you want to, come onto the balls of your feet, right? It's okay. Try to engage the core so that your butt's not sagging down. Good. Lift the chest. Close the eyes. And from here, set your intention for your practice. Maybe for your day, for your week. Allow your hands to come down to the ground. Slowly make your way back up to stand. Feet facing the front of the mat. Inhale here, look forward. Exhale, fold. And from here, we're gonna roll all the way up to stand. So press your feet into the ground with that energy, like drawing that energy out of the earth in through your body. Start to roll all the way up to stand. Head and neck are last. Roll the shoulders back a few times. Good, I'm gonna move the screen so you can see me at least a little bit. Good, setting up for Surya Namaskar A. Let's stay in Tadasana for just a moment. Feel the four corners of your feet. Really magnetically connecting with the earth. Good, gaze is straight. Gaze is at your third eye. Eyes are closed. If you can't close your eyes or if you don't want to, bring the gaze to the tip of your nose. This is your drishti, your focus. It can be internal, it can be external. Inhale, raise arms, press palms, look up. Exhale, fold it down. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step back. Lower down, chaturanga. Lower your knees down, and then bring your chest through your arms. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. And breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step the feet forward to meet the hands. Good. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Press palms overhead, look up. And then exhale, fold. Uttanasana, coming forward like a waterfall. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step back. Lower down, chaturanga. Knees down, chest through your arms. Good. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step the feet forward to meet the hands. Exhale, fold. Last time, inhale, rise all the way up, palms press overhead. Then exhale, pour it down, right? Like water over your body, like a blessing, like a prayer. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower down, chaturanga. Easy chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale. Slowly step the feet forward to meet the hands. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up halfway. Open up your feet so that they're hips width. Take your peace fingers, Padangusthasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bend it down. Bring your chest toward your thighs. Activate your quads. Bring your elbows out to the side. Try to bring your weight a little forward, a little back. And your next inhale, look forward. Exhale, bring your hands underneath your feet, Padahastasana. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, release. Bring your feet together. Inhale, Utkatasana. Soft chair pose. Maybe don't go as low as you normally do. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right foot forward. Rise up, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale. Exhale. Step back, downward dog. Inhale, left foot forward, rise up, Virabhadrasana 1. Inhale. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale. Exhale. Step back, downward dog. Inhale. Exhale, bend knees, look forward. Inhale, step or jump through to sit. Let's meet in Baddha Konasana. Bring the soles of your feet together. Take your peace fingers, wrap them around your big toes, allowing the knees to come out to the side. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, come down. Maybe slowly, right? One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Ooh, lift up. Extend that left leg long. Bring the right foot into the pubic bone. Janu Shirshasana. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. Bring it down. Feeling that opening in the right hip. Try to guide that sit bone back down if it's come out. Inhale, lift back up and switch sides. Bring your right leg long, bring your left foot into the pubic bone. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come forward. in front, bring your feet down to the ground. Yeah. And let's slowly come all the way down to our backs. We'll do just a little bit of abs, not too much. Nice and slow. Lift your legs up in the air. Good. And do what you want. Either these reaches, maybe about 10 of those, or some leg lifts just to work in a little bit of abs. Not too much, okay? But nice and slow. Inhale, rise. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Just a few more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Bend your knees. Bring your hands behind your neck. Let's just do a few, obviously optional, crunches. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, nice and slow so you can feel like all different parts of your abs working. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. One more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Hug your knees into your chest. You can rock from side to side. Open up your legs. Take the outsides of your feet for happy baby. Always fun to take happy baby. And then bring your knees back into your chest. Give yourself one more big hug. And rock and roll all the way up to sit. Let's meet in Paschimottanasana. Take out your fleshy bits. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bring the chest forward. Tuck in the abs, the belly as you come forward. Roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come back up to sit. Bring your hands behind you. Purvottanasana. Let's go for upward table. Fingertips are facing your toes. Press your hands into the ground as you lift your thighs, your belly, your hips up. And lift the head back. One more inhale. Exhale. Let's come forward a little bit more. And let's, if you have a strap, just grab onto the strap and let's come all the way down to our backs. One more time. Bring the right knee to the chest. Take your strap, loop it around. Good. And then lift that leg up to the sky. Flex both legs. And release the strap. Bend your left knee so that your foot's on the ground. Place your right ankle over your left foot. And let's do the figure four stretch. Bring your hands to clasp behind your left thigh. This is a great hip opener. Also gets the upper quad a little bit. If you don't feel the stretch, bring your left thigh closer to your chest. And then release the bind. Bring your foot back down. Bring your right, what is this, your right leg over your left. You can entwine them so that you have like Garudasana, eagle legs, and then allow them to come over to the left. If you have a block here, you can put it down. Otherwise, go full on stretch. And that right shoulder will probably come up. I know mine's up, it's okay. Bring your gaze either over your right shoulder or straight up at the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Your inhale, safely come back up to center. Release the bind. Send your right leg long, left knee into the chest, tug it in. And then let's get the strap around the left foot. Bring that left foot up to the ceiling, up to the sky. Flex both feet to get a slightly deeper stretch. And then bend that right knee, right foot's on the ground. Release the strap. Bring the left ankle across the right upper thigh. And then bring your hands to connect behind your right thigh. Keep the feet flexed if you can. And feel that deep stretch in the left thigh. That's so yummy. The deeper you're able to breathe, the farther you'll be able to stretch. I don't know the science behind that. I just know it to be true. And then release the bind. Bring your left leg around your right. You can entwine them and allow your legs to fall to the right. Again, gaze can come over the left, or you can look straight up. Just a few breaths here. And your next inhale, come back to center. And release the legs, allow them to go long. Allow your arms to go long. Allow your shoulders to melt into the earth, into the mat. Take a few breaths here. Pranayama before our mantras. We'll do a Nadi Shodhana, which is an alternate nostril breathing. A Nadi is an energetic channel. There's said to be 72,000 of them in our bodies. And Shodhana means like to cleanse, to clean, or to purify. So I don't know if I'm mirrored to you, but in your left hand, make the OK Mudra, the Guru Mudra, Chin Mudra, thumb and forefinger to touch. And in your right hand, take your pointer and your middle finger and bring them down. And your ring and your pinky will be up and your thumb will be up. And then bring your hands to the top of your thighs. Okay. You're going to bring your thumb to your right nostril. You're going to inhale through the left. Pinch it close with your ring finger. Release the thumb, exhale through the right. Good. Inhale through the right. Close. Exhale through the left. Repeat that about 4 times. Inhale through the left. Close with the ring finger. Release the thumb. Exhale through the right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Do 2 more on your own. And when you inhale, picture the breath moving up your nostril all the way up to your third eye. And as you exhale, see the breath depart through the right. And then inhale through the right, see the breath rising up all the way to the third eye. And then exhale, see it leaving. One last time. When you're done, bring both hands to Jin Mudra, thumb and forefinger to touch, and really make them touch, press them together. These mudras are seals that we create with our hands and our fingers, even with our intentions. Let's close the practice by chanting Loka Samasta Sukhinu Bhavantu. May all beings everywhere be happy and free from suffering. And may our thoughts, words, and our actions contribute in some way to the happiness and to the freedom of all beings everywhere. Please sing with me. Loka Samasta Sukhinu Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Shanti, for peace. Shanti, Shanti. Bring your hands together, prayer at your heart center, gently bowing your head to your hands. Know that the true teacher lives within you. Om Bolo Sadguru Bhagavan Ki Jai. Namaste. Have a beautiful day.